Hello once again, this is your boy Chef Manny. I'm about to prepare light soup. I've been struggling with some sinus infection and it's COVID-19 pandemic season, so the best way is to find or figure out how to boost your immune system, and locally light soup, which is a form of soup with spicy sauce in it, makes your system kind of rejuvenate. So it's very good. The light soup, Ghanaians eat with fufu, or you can eat it with rice. Some people bankun or pinky, whatever. But it goes well with fufu. But you can drink it, it's soup. And the spice just goes through your nose and your pores and open things up. So at home, I'm preparing mine with some beef. Here we go. I'm trying to control the cameras. It's not easy all by myself. So let's see what we can do. I'll show you the ingredients for this recipe. You need tomato fruit, onion, red pepper, the powdered pepper. I blended some ginger. It's darker because I blended it with the skin, thoroughly washed. Garden egg, some diced onion. I have diced onion, and some red and green pepper, ginger, fresh ginger, garlic cloves. I have adobo seasoning for the meat over here. This adobo. And then I'm using Gino tomato paste. And I have some fish here. Local salmon, some tuna, some smoked fish, some basil, and then the meat over here. This is beef with salted beef also. Those three are salted beef. So I'm adding, my hands are washed. I'm adding some adobo seasoning. I'm pouring the blended ginger on it. Oh, I need it. And then some diced little onions. I let this cook for about 10 minutes. Stage, I'll drop the tomato fruit in there so it gets soft for me. The skin is gonna break. It's like making tomato concassé, in culinary school. That's what they're gonna call it. Cover it again. I'm gonna add a little drop of water. I have some basil I'll drop into the meat, so it's just add flavor and then it cooks with the meat. So there we go. This is coming from my garden, so I have my own basil. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start breaking the fish, taking the head off. I don't eat fish head. You can choose to keep it on it. What I have here is salt. So still cooking, still boiling. I know my cat is gonna be happy. Gonna be breaking the meat. Okay, and then I remove this part. Okay, now it's rinsed. I'm gonna cover it to prevent flies from scooping around. Time to get the tomato and the onion out for blending. So there you go. There you go. And the onion. I'm adding 4 garlic cloves to it. Pinch of ginger to into it. Gotta boost the immune system. Honestly, I'm adding some spices that I forgot the name, but if you're in Ghana, you should help me out with the name. This I had from the local market, precursor or whatever, you know, add spice and flavor to the soup. Gino. I blended the tomato fruit, the onion, tomato, garlic, and the spices all into it. All go in there. Yes, they must go in. All must go in. Dropping in my papushito. This is the best I know how. I have my spicy pepper. I want it real spicy. I'm keeping a little bit. If it's not much, I add more. Now, about 3 cups of water. 3, and I'll make it 4. I'll make it 5 because I want to drink more soup. Now, I'm gonna leave it to cook on its own. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. So we add this green bell peppers or green pepper, red pepper, scotch pepper, jalapeno pepper, whatever pepper you want to add. In case you're drinking the soup or eating a fufu and it's not spicy enough, you just break or crack this into it. So that's the reason. This time, the last 2 items will be the garden eggs. I pre-cooked this and refrigerated it, so gonna go in. Then half Maggie cube, and now a little pinch of salt, and I'll let the food cook. This is a soup spice I bought from the local market. I'll drop, it's called Sankofa natural spices. I'm gonna drop a little bit in there. That's it. This is the smoked fish. It's kind of hard a little bit, so I put it in, then the rest will be the salmon and the tuna. Let me taste for salt, pepper. Yes. Look at all this. Yes, Lord. Yes, we're getting there. Okay. So it's almost done. Time to add the salmon fish and the tuna. So it's a lot of fish in this soup that I'm making. I've deboned it as much as I can. Less bones. It's very thick and a little salty, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water, add more pepper because I want it really spicy, and now, well, let's see. The foaming stage now is a sign we have few minutes for the soup to be cooked, to be well cooked and ready. Look at all that. I think I did pretty good. I want to hear from the ladies. Ladies, how am I doing with this light soup, also known in Ghana as in kakra? Look at the meat in kakra, baby. So it will cook for another 5 minutes and then we'll be good to go. So the light soup is ready. A delicious in kakra light soup. We're gonna have a taste with the meat. So delicious. Oh, let me add some fish. I got an egg. Let's do it here. Some fish. Fish. Oh, and a little chicken. If you have flu, spicy, check it out. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I will be back with more videos, so stay tuned. All right, bye bye. All you need now is some fufu and you're good to go. Delicious.